I know that ain't what I think it is.
What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see a track vlog, man. It's going down. G-Dog 803 Footage Fest. My boy first event. I know I had to come out and support. We covering 2 events today, man. I got my bro Jeremy at Shut Up and Race. So it's going down at Shut Up and Race 2, Hit Hunter Dragway. 2 epic events today. So we finna cover this out here. Get it in. Y'all know the routine, man. Getting all the camera equipment ready, man. Got to keep the bag on go. We got the drone out. I'm going in today. I ain't gonna live stream today. Hey, you get my phone off up there? My business phone. I gotta get my business phone, man. These kids all over the place in there. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. But anyway, y'all, we finna get it in. Y'all see, got the car show out here. Some nice stuff out there. So we're gonna be on the phone with it today since I'm filming, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all see it. Checking in, man. Coming on in there. Got a lot of Hellcats out here. A lot of charges, challenges, all that. Y'all see Cuntry over there. Cantaloupe. Black, man, let's go look at these wheels, man. I ain't never seen, this man got the biggest back wheel I done ever seen, man. So we're gonna go check this thing out for the vlog channel. Like I said, this man got a wheel back here, boy. Look at this thing here. Ooh, there's some hooking action right there. That's a tie, man. Y'all look at that tie. We got the Cantaloupe. We got the blur right here. Y'all see Donkmaster. Y'all remember what he said on my video now? He said and G, the man of the hour. What up, G? What's up, no? G, dog. What's going down today?
Right here, man. Let me hook you up. Boom.
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate you, G.
This is the media preference event. Okay?
Oh yeah, most definitely. Hey, I like that sign I seen on. I like that.
Oh yeah,
sign
down
there.
Yeah. Media only beyond this point. Respect the shooters.
That's it, man. Hey,
J-Back been telling y'all for a long time. Respect
the shooters. Yes, indeed, man. So we're going down, y'all. Footage Fest today, man. I'm gonna have to go down there and show y'all that sign, man. Y'all got to see that sign. But we got the blur right here. The blur said he taking out all the Mopar gang, I can say. He said he taking out all the new school today. So we gonna go down, man. So he got a nice event. Y'all see they in here too now. There's a bunch of Mopars in here too, boy. I'm telling you, the Hellcats, the red eyes, the demons, they got them all up in here, man. Yeah, they about to go down, y'all. I'm telling you, boy, it's Mopar gang out here, boy. They came out today, boy. It's Mopars out here for days. Look at them, man. Out here deep. I'm talking about all the way down too now. Mopar. We got a Mustang right there. We got one sticking out there. They more clean too. They got some clean ones out here. Look at that. I like that. Oh yeah, I like that. Yes, indeed. Yeah, they clean, man. They clean. They got some back there. These bad boys is tough in here. Got the Vert stain right here. We got a couple of Mustangs. We got a couple on. But most of these Dodges, boy, they out here. Look at that, boy. I'm talking about they deep out here. All the way down, y'all. All right, y'all see it. I'm checking in, man. We're checking in. All the shooters out here. Got my boy Corey, Stock 09. Man, everybody out here. Donkmaster finna do something big, y'all. So we're gonna catch this on the big camera. We're gonna catch this on the vlog. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna catch this on the vlog, man. We're gonna see what he got going on. Waiting on G-Dog, man. Waiting on G-Dog to pull up It's his event. No G-Dog can't miss the footage, man. So waiting on G. Shout out to G for a good event, man. Real good event, man. Been going down. No had to come support for the one. Got my boy there, Belt Boy out here, man. That's my guy right there. Everybody out here. It's going down. It's going down. What up? What up now? What up? What up? CFN. Oh, that's CFN. Okay, that bad box 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I like that box now.
Yeah, we got a bad ass V out here today. We're gonna try to win that shootout.
Okay, okay. Yeah, man. Hey, shout out to CFN, man. Them guys got some call now. They got some call. Coming. Got my boy D. What up? DB digging the scene. All my guys out here, man. All the shooters out here. They going down. Got Rike over there. Life of Rike. Y'all go check him out. So y'all just stay tuned, y'all.
Might not walk that yet. Donkmaster!
He in the trail.
I got it. G-Dog, where you wanna sit down like a boss, or you wanna keep working?
I'm working, man.
All right, well, you stay working. Well, I tell you what, it's your birthday, and somebody got to do the happy birthday to G-Dog while I go in the club. This club right here.
All right.
Yeah, club. All right, so while I go to the club, any YouTuber start the 1, 2, 3 happy birthday G-Dog shit, and then after that, we gonna let the scripters come out. All the children go down.
Z. Shout out to
And
G.
real quick, man, I appreciate everybody coming out for my birthday, man.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate all y'all coming out, man. I'm glad all of us can get together and you know, fellowship, because all of us love having these cameras out just like I do. So, man, I just want to say I appreciate y'all coming out. Hopefully we can have a good turnout. Y'all go upload all your videos, spray the internet with it, and we can keep on doing it again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's that? What's that, G?
That's for me right now.
What's that, G? What that is, G? What you got, G? What you got, G?
I know that ain't what I think it is.
What you got, G? Oh! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Look at G. What the G at? Happy birthday, boy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Hey, y'all see it, man. I'm in the game. Now I ain't on the sideline no more. I ain't on the sideline no more.
Hey, go get that thing, G. Hey, get in,
man.
get in that thing, G. Go get in that thing, man.
Hey, man, congrats, bro.
I'm gonna see the game, bro.
They had 5 on us. Yo, congratulations, bro. And we about to hook it up. 100K, man. Bro. And get what, Gino? I'm in the game. You came in the game with this. You came in We gonna buy ourselves. We about to motor to Let's get in here, man. Give me the camera. I gotta finish myself. Hold on. Granddaddy Queasy, that's not a play. Hold on. I got 2 hands. 2 hands. Okay. I refuse to let anything happen. Okay, here we go. This is G-Dog. There you go. We out here. Put it straight. Everybody say, Roochie's coming. Yeah, you know. Roochie's coming. We gonna get you an LS phone. Congratulations. We got more. Hold on. Y'all messed up now. Y'all
5 minutes. The Donkmaster has Facebook Live or whatever you got to do. It's going to be one of the highlights of today's event. So you want to be there to film that and then put it out on your channel or on your page. So get back there and going to be doing that in about 5 minutes. So YouTubers and Facebook Livers and all those kind of people, if you got filming equipment or filming to do, get on back there and see what's going on. The Donkmaster is making a special event in 5 minutes. We're only going into track prep about the same time, so you won't really miss any action on the track. We got prep going on somewhere around the same time at 4:30 or so. So go back there and see what the Donkmaster's up to and see what he's got going on. And also it's a good opportunity for you to go to the Hot Rod Grill and grab something to eat or something to drink from the Hot Rod Grill while track prep is going on around that same time if you're not back there at the back of staging. So get ready for that special unveiling, and we'll get back with you with racing as soon as these next few cars get down the track and we start track prep. It'll take a few minutes to do that. And then I understand there's some grudge races that are locked in. That'll be coming up right after that. So get ready for some great drag racing action here very shortly, just after we go into a track prep session.
Hey, and the doors work. This is my pops right here. He had an A1 Grand Prix just like this. Congratulations, bro. Hey, Pops. Gotta be one. Congratulations. They showed up. I didn't even know. Right. Thank you, man. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all. Yeah, don't stop. Oh, we just getting started. I'm a G-Dog. You about to dress this up. Hello. Coach, about to get you what? Coach.
Hey, clean, leave the motor, man.
Don't waste the gas.
Just check the motor out.
Take it down on the track.
Let's see, y'all. Cap
Okay.
It come like that, but we change.
You know you can get some nasty in there, boy. Oh, it's clean now. It's coming out, but it's clean. Put it, let's know we can put it in there. Well, you know. Right now, I'm on 3V. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're going on that 3V. We're going to 3V, man. You got that turbo start? Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, me and Cuntry had to put it together.
That's big.
Talk about the damn Grand
That's big.
You know, we taking all that. If y'all want the motor for sale, we got Turbo LS going to hell.
Yeah. No, man, this is the best I ever got. This is the best I ever got.
That's good. You deserve it.
Hey, not only them, man. The game appreciate what you be doing out here, dog.
Yes, it is,
The game appreciate it, man.
I appreciate
real car lovers, man. YouTube, everybody.
Real, man. Salute,
I
G.
appreciate y'all. Just thank y'all. Like I can't thank y'all
Salute,
enough
G.
for coming out here, man.
Salute,
I
bro.
salute every single one of y'all, man. Y'all made my dream come true, bringing all y'all out here, man.
I drove 18 hours from Milwaukee,
18
Wisconsin to
hours,
see
man.
y'all.
Good Lord,
I
man.
leave after the show.
I had to
Another
do this
18
with
hours.
bro.
My boy, yeah, of course, my boy.
Straight driving, no layover. Gas and
Y'all, like,
go.
all y'all motivate me every single day. I watch all y'all
18
videos.
hours, non-stop.
Y'all made me step my game up.
Tearing
Y'all
that
made me,
motherfucker highway
you know what I'm
down.
saying, keep wanting to go to shows because, like, all right, he got a video. I want to see it too.
Yeah.
In person,
Every
man.
show I
So,
can make them coming.
man, I definitely appreciate all y'all.
Congrats, bro. Happy B-Day. Whatever.
Yes, it is, man. Big G-Dog, man. That's it.
Hey, man, hey, shit, he made the game what it is. Hey, he helped make the game what it is, man.
Yeah, that's good. All brand new motor in there. Man, I had to put some rose gold on the rider.
I've been making color schemes in my head. That's fine, man.
All the original with the paint job. Ain't got no rust on it.
Got one in the
We got hard tops in Georgia all day, but I don't think I never seen no T-top there.
He got one.
You got oil pressure. Don't worry about that. You got me Big G, dog. Big G, dog. 100K. He made me 100K. And he got a garage to park it in, too. So
I got big garage. I got all the toys.
100K G-Dog.
Big G, dog.
Big celebrations going on, man. His birthday, 100K, new whip, man.
G-Dog is the song. Everybody come get some footage of my car.